Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 free programming language learning websites. These websites are perfect for beginners who want to learn programming without spending any money. So, let's get started. Number 5. Codecademy. Codecademy is a free website that offers interactive coding courses in a variety of programming languages, including Python, Java, HTML, and CSS. The courses are designed for beginners and are interactive, making it easy to learn by doing. Codecademy also offers a pro version with additional features for a fee. Number 4. Udacity. Udacity offers a range of free courses in programming, web development, and data science. The courses are self-paced and include video lectures, quizzes, and hands-on projects. Udacity also offers nanodegree programs for a fee that provide more in-depth training. Number 3. freeCodeCamp. freeCodeCamp is a non-profit organization that offers free courses in web development, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and more. The courses are project-based, with each course consisting of several projects that you complete to demonstrate your skills. freeCodeCamp also offers certifications for completing their courses. Number 2. Codecademy. Codecademy is a free online learning platform that offers courses in a variety of subjects, including computer programming. Their programming courses cover topics like JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and SQL. The courses are designed for beginners and include interactive exercises and quizzes. Number 1. EDX is a free online learning platform that offers courses from top universities around the world. They offer a variety of programming courses in languages like Python, Java, and C++. The courses include video lectures, quizzes, and assignments, and some even offer a certificate upon completion. So there you have it, guys, the top 5 free programming language learning websites. These websites are perfect for beginners who want to learn programming without spending any money. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more programming content.